Kitchen Expo has been a full-service kitchen, bath, home, and construction firm since 1984. We offer unique design features, quality products, superior installation, and outstanding service have made Kitchen Expo the leader in kitchen, bath, home design, and remodeling. We serve La Jolla, California, and surrounding areas.
We contribute our continued growth to the quality of our workmanship. We pay attention to details, and we are very passionate about each project we take on.
Kitchen Expo's attention to detail, unique design features, quality products, superior installation, and outstanding service has made Kitchen Expo the leader in kitchen, bath, and home design and remodeling since 1984. Call us today at 858-456-0050 or visit www.kitchenexpo.com.